Now, if I wanted to, I could actually locate that assembly myself and show you guys what it looks like on my file system. Here is my solution folder. Here's my project folder. There's my program.cs right on my file system. It's just a text file. Under the bin folder, I have a debug folder, and under the debug folder, I have console application1.exe. In fact, if I were to double-click on this, I would get the same result. To dismiss this window, I just hit any key. So that's a .NET assembly. Now on Windows, it doesn't look anything different than a normal executable. It does have the exe extension on it because Windows does kind of understand .NET sort of kind of natively, and it allows us to run .NET programs as if they were native programs. On Mac OS and Linux, however, you have to run your executable through the mono process. So we now have Hello World. What I have here is, again, the minimum amount of code that you need in order to get something up and running. We have something called a class, something called a method, and two things called expressions. So let's start off with the class. Everything in .NET is wrapped in something called a type. Now, there are a variety of kinds of types, but the one that we're going to be using right now is called a class. Classes must be defined in a way that starts with the class keyword. You'll notice it's a keyword because it's highlighted slightly different than the other lines of code in this program.